Do you know why cats are associated with witches? They always seem to be Halloween-related things, cats. Tell you why. During the plague, the disease was carried by fleas, and the fleas would attach themselves to mice and rats. And so, cats would chase away the rats and the mice. So if you had a cat, you wouldn't get bitten by those fleas because the rats had disappeared because of the cats. Women with cats didn't get the plague, and so they were seen as witches. Cats are lovely, and they're not scary, and they're not creepy, but they're always associated with witches and Halloween and things. There you go.